Welcome back YouTube. Harry here, known as Trade Shop. And if you're looking into trading in 2022, then you found the right place because there's a lot of information out there and you're going to be introduced with a lot of different concepts, a lot of people trying to show you a lavish lifestyle to dive you into trading, which is probably maybe how you've ended up in this video. But again, this is all stuff that's going to promote something that is never actually going to make you money in trading unless you guys put the effort in. So I decided, and I did one last year. It was a beginner's guide to trading, but instead of making you one long video that doesn't make sense, I'm going to separate these into each individual parts and make it a full series that you guys can watch. We'll take it step by steps. Here are some of the topics we're going to cover throughout this series here, and it's really going to help you guys get on the right step to be able to trade. And you can see what we've been doing in the past year and get you not falling into the trap that many people do. And that is always my goal and always has been my goal. And if you don't understand what the trap is, you soon will. And it's basically falling into something that is not true and giving unrealistic expectations, because at the end of the day, trading is not a get rich quick scheme and it's not something that you'll make money overnight. And if you think it is, then you definitely have to reconsider, because it's a skill that people learned. If money was really that easy to be made, then a lot more people would be doing this. So, and again, you'll have to put in effort, and the effort you put in will be the results you will get. And I do definitely advise you to learn this skill, because it's a free skill that you'll be able to learn online, and it's something that you can take into learning deeper economics in terms of what is going on with the economy, market, stocks and stuff like this, and will also allow you to develop a skill that brings in an income and can drastically help you in the future, and definitely improve your mindset, psychology, risk-taking skills, and will definitely give you skills to allow you to expand into different business avenues and be able to grow as a person as well. So first of all, the first things I want you guys to do, and what we're going to cover in this video, is basically how you're going to get started. What are the things you need to know about trading? So the first things you guys have to know about trading is what is trading. So basically, when we trade, our goal is to look at the market. So they look something like this, and you've probably seen them, right? And you're like, yes, I want to learn how to do that. And what we basically look to do is we look to analyze these markets, known as technical analysis, and we look to read charts. And with those charts, what we do is we take an analysis, and based on our analysis and plan, we execute on a trade. Now, no matter if the market goes up or goes down, and this is the difference between trading and investing, is that if you're looking at, and I'll remove all drawings here, if you're looking at a market, most people, when you invest, you need the price of that market to go up, right? You need that to go up to make money. But as a trader, we can make money both when price goes down and when the price goes up. So based on our analysis, we take trades based on where we think price is heading to make an income. And that is what you have to know to begin to start trading, right? And you have many types of trading, right? So you're able to trade Forex, which is, I recommend, it's one of the best, most liquid markets, which liquid markets mean there's a lot of volume in there, there's a lot of money flowing through it, so it will be a most consistent market to be able to develop a strategy. We of course have the crypto markets, which is very volatile and quite a hard thing to do. And we also have stocks, indices, we have gold as well, gold and precious metals and stuff like this. So you're able to trade all of these from learning the one skill of technical analysis, which is going to be covered in my next video. So be sure to be subscribed and like this video, because in the next video, we are going to cover technical analysis, reading candles, and all of the stuff that you saw on the screen. So it's very important that you like and subscribe, and to be sure to get the next video so you can be on the right step to learning to trade in 2022. So with that being said, the next thing you have to know is, all right, how do I get started? How do I start seeing charts, right? So what you're going to do to see charts is you're going to head over to a website called tradingview.com, and now this is going to be your access. If you press chart here, you'll be presented with charts, right? So you can see very clearly here, and just by pressing the top here, you'll be able to load your charts and stuff like that. But this is a short video, an introduction to what is to come, so be sure to be subscribed, because in the next video we're going to cover candlesticks. What are these red and green things, how to read them, and what do you do with them? So with that being said, take care, trade sharp, and until next time, peace.